All right, welcome back to Living in Cape Coral. I am here today at the new construction that was completed here in Southwest Cape Coral. This is an 1833 Southwest 18th Court. This is the Serenity Plus model. So it's a 3-bedroom with a den, 3 full bathrooms, 2-car garage, and it has 2,131 square feet of living space. Just give you a quick tour of the neighborhood. Directly across, you actually have a golf course. And then next door, you don't have any neighbors as of right now. All right, first thing you're gonna notice is the paved driveway. And they also got to go into the side over here. This house sits on a 1/4 acre, so it's 80 feet wide by 125 feet deep. It is on a freshwater canal. The canal is about 80 feet wide, and you'll see that shortly once we go inside. They changed around the colors a little bit on this model. I like how they came out. They did the brown instead of the black. Nice grand entrance. These 2 windows right here, this is where the office, where the den would be. These windows, you can't see through them. Got that privacy factor in there. All right, so there's a lot of features in this house that I absolutely love that they've never done before. For example, the first thing here is your built-in TV enclosure. The TV and the fireplace are included. I believe that is a 70-inch TV. And just the little details. I mean, I love this wood detail. And they got it going all the way to the top. And then the flooring, they have a hint of brown to them as well, which kind of goes well with the brown in the entertainment center and also underneath the kitchen island, and kind of goes well with the paint. It's not completely white, it's kind of like a off-white. It's got a little bit of like a beige to it. So it's got the house itself, as soon as you walk in, there's a really warm feeling to the entire home. Quartz countertops. They did these gold faucet. Look at those handles. And then you got a bunch of extra storage space towards the top. Again, that's where you're gonna keep your big pots and pans that you use like once a year for Thanksgiving or when the family comes to visit. This has the hood. Microwave, no microwave with this one. It's got dishwasher, disposal. Again, the flooring is porcelain. This would be your dining room overlooking the pool and the lanai, but we'll get to that in a second. These are 12-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors throughout the house. This would be your den. Great home office. So where these cabinets are, there used to be a pantry. So we removed the pantry and put in these extra cabinets. So you got a ton of storage space, and they're pretty deep actually. Adjustable, they go all the way to the top. So this kitchen looks a lot bigger than it used to before. Over here, we got the laundry room. Good size and a bunch of extra storage. Again, no basements in Florida, so the more storage you have, the better off you are, or you're just gonna have to throw some things out. Your garage, reinforced garage door. Oh, the windows and doors in this entire house are hurricane impact. All right, so you got your first full bath right here. There will be a glass door that's going to be installed on the shower. Tile from top to bottom. You got this section right here for your shampoo. And then also a place just to sit down and relax if you get tired standing up in the shower. And this door goes out to the pool, so if somebody has to use the bathroom, they're not dragging water throughout the house. Your first bedroom right here. The shelving is not included with the house. The builder purposely leaves it empty. At this price point, we've noticed that people like to put in custom cabinets. So it always comes in empty and you can do essentially whatever you want after the closing. Again, this porcelain tile is throughout the entire house. No carpeting anywhere. And here's your second full bath. Then your closet on this side. All right, we're going to go into the master bedroom first, and then save the best for last. This is your master, your primary bedroom. You got the sliders leading out to the lanai. You can easily fit a king-size bed in here and still have plenty of space on the sides for your nightstands and an extra recliner if you wanted to. Got a closet on each side, walk-in closet. This would be your bigger one. And then I love the design, the backsplash here above the tub. Came out great. They added these seats into this model. They've never done that before. And then get your private toilet. All right, let's head out to the lanai area. So this house does have the outdoor grill station. It's almost a must-have in Florida. If you spend so much time on the lanai or outdoors, you really don't want to do any cooking inside. But you got a sitting area right here. Two fans. I love the way this outdoor grill station came out. I love the color. Of course, you got a hood. And this is where you put a couple of lounge chairs. This is a nice section, so if you have small kids or somebody coming over with small kids, they can just kind of play around in this section before they jump into the big end. Or if you're an adult and doesn't know how to swim and you'd rather stay in this section, well, that's an option as well. And then you have this door that leads out. This leads into that full-size bath. This is completely enclosed, so you don't have to worry about mosquitoes. Stay up all night if you want to. No bugs. And then let's check out this canal real quick. You got those lights around the whole house. It does have the seawall in place. And this canal is about 80 feet wide. I believe it's called the Highlander Canal. And you got some good fishing here. All right. that's it for this home. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope this was helpful. And if you have any other questions about this particular property or any other property here in Cape Coral, give me a call. Let's discuss it further. Have a great day.